Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Salahuddin bin Zamri, Year 1 Mechatronic Engineering. So, today I want to represent you about our mini project that is Scooter. So, I am the leader of the group. There's 4 members in this group. One of is I, and then Nizam, Mahesh, and Nuri. So, for introduction for Scooter, a kick scooter also referred to as a push scooter. It's a human-powered street vehicle with a handbar deck wheels for rider to pushing on the ground. Today, most common scooters are made of aluminium, titanium, steels, and steels. Some kick scooter made for younger children have 3 to 4 wheels, and for adult there's only 2 wheels, and the wheels are made from plastic that will not fall. And for objectives in our project is to analyzing each physical part of the product and explore how it was built. And then we need to identify the product component and their interrelationship. For the third objective, we need to evaluate or identify the function of each component with the other component. And then the last one, we need to disassemble and measure all the component part and closing and orthographic drawing. So that's for me. I will pass to Noreen.
Methodology of the mini project. First, start the project. We have a meeting to configure the mini project. Each member give their suggestion idea about the project, and thus each member agree with the suggestion. We create more suggestion to combine the design, and we proceed to a next step, end up with a actual mini project to draw something. And lastly, we distribute job to each member. Okay, this is our sketching. Next part of product, we have 3 parts of the product. First, body of scooter. Function body of scooter is human stood up at that place. This body have a back brake to slow down the scooter. Second, scooter handle. The function of scooter handle is human used to make a stable position. The handle is connected to body of the scooter. And lastly, we have wheel. The function of wheel is to move the scooter, and wheel is connected to the body of the scooter.
Moving on to results, there are 3 overall results for the project, which is the body, the handle, and the wheel. Okay, let's start with the body first. The body contains the neck, the main platform, of course for the rider to stand upon, and lastly the brake section. The body is then connected to 2 wheels of the same sizes, and is also connected to the handle for said scooter. Moving on to the handle. The handle is created and designed to support human stability and provide as a steering conductor for the scooter to steer whenever it is moving. The handle is also able to rotate 180 degrees, and also is later connected to the front wheel. So moving on to the last part, for the wheel. The scooter contains 2 main wheels of the same sizes, which is the front and the back. The wheels also allows the scooter to move. As you can see on the main presentation slide, those are the drawings. Those are the measurements, and also the examples of each of the designs that we made for the project. Moving on to the final assembly, as you can see on the slide shown. That is the design for our project. When it is fully assembled, consists of the three parts, which is the handle, the two main wheels, and the platform. So the handle is sorry, for the neck for the platform. I forgot to mention previously. Is designed that way in order to provide stability for the scooter, in order to make the ride more smoother, more flexible, and provides more stability to the rider. So that's all.
Discussion. This project was carried in Ramadan month. Having worked with and stomach made every Muslim member mentally down. Every member that involved were having packed schedule, quiz, assignment, and tests at the same time affect our communication to discuss about this project. However, we solved this at discussion in WhatsApp group and at some meeting in Google Meet. Second issue are some members maybe lack of drawing experience or some shape. We had struggled a lot in drawing and teach other members. By doing some research and great teamwork, finally we solved the problem. We will learn a lot of drawing experience and it was a good process. Uh, in finishing this project, we showed a lot of teamwork with all of us and it's really strengthened our bond between our team members and we also gain a lot of skills in finishing AutoCAD drawing. Really, this project gives us a really good experience to finish a AutoCAD drawing. Conclusion. This project may take short time to complete it, but we managed to survive during the time gap. We had good communication with each of group members. We asked and helped each other with humility. Thus, comfortable and efficient environment was working. During the time gap, we had some face-to-face meeting to make sure each members understand with their work. By doing this, works are assigned fair and clear to each group members, and complication or rush may be resolved without slowing the process. Actually, we made a face-to-face meeting at BFI2 to discuss about this mini project, and we also meet up very frequently during finishing this mini project. It really helps us to communicate with each other easily. Thank you.